Good morning, kids. In the last class, we learned about time. Time is very precious. You must keep up a timing for everything. I told you in the last class, for waking up, then for studies, play, and to go to bed. So everything should be sorted out with a time. Time is very valuable. The time what we waste, we cannot, retrieve it. You can not take it back. You can never get back the time which is already have gone, finished. So once more, let me show you the clock. I told you in the last class, this is the second hand. This take 60 times it has to go around to make 1 minute. Now this is the hour hand. This is the hour hand. And this is the second hand. When this goes 60 times round, it makes 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. And 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. You have to copy this down into your notebook. Okay. So first you have to take a new page and write the day and date, today's day and date, and then write time. You have to write time. T-I-M-E, time. After that, you should write it down 1 minute. Write your 1 minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. S-E-C-O-N-D-S. 60 seconds. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Now, next one. 1 hour. H-O-U-R. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. M-I-N-U-T-E-S. You have to skip columns and write, okay? 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. That means 60 seconds make 1 minute. 60 minutes make 1 hour. Now, 1 day. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 24 hours. 1 week equal to 7 days. Now 1 month. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. 30 or 31 days. Some months have 30, some months have 31. Now how do you know that there is 30 and 31 days? You must hold your fist like this. When you do like this is called the fist. So the bones which is projecting here, this projecting means the part which is pointing out here. These months have 31. For example, January 30. February, if it is a leap year, it will be 29 days, and other years it will be 28 days. Only for February, if it is leap year means that year will have 29 days. Leap year comes once in 4 years. That means every 4 years is a leap year. Every 4 years is a leap year. So, you hold your hand like this with your fist. January 31. Then February, I told you, if it is leap year, 29. Otherwise, it will be 28. Now, March 31. See all this projecting parts is showing 31 days. March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July 31, August 31. See, these two are projecting. This is the easy method for you to know. Okay, so January 31, February 28 or 29 in leap year, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July and August are 31, September 30, October 31, November 30, again December 31. So some months have 30 days, some have only 31 days. Okay, some, that is, you know now it is. Okay, so there is also a small little poem, rhyming, that's a rhyme. 30 days at September, April, June and November, all the rest have 31 except leap year alone. I'll repeat it. 30 days at September, April, June and November, all the rest have 31 except leap year alone. Okay, so 30 days at September, April, June and November, all the rest have 31 except leap year alone. So when you remember this little poem, you will, little rhyme or whatever, this, when you remember, you know how many days are there in each month, and how many days are there, 31 days of months. You will remember which all months have 31, which months have 30. And I told you, only in leap year. Leap year comes once in 4 years. That means every 4 years. Once in 4 years means, yes, after every 4th year will be a leap year. Now last year was a leap year, and this year is not a leap year. Again in 24 will be a leap year. Then 28 will be a leap year. Okay, so every 4 years is a leap year. Now let's come back to the time itself. Sorry. I showed you the second hand, minute hand and the hour hand. Now listen, don't concentrate on this. Let this be there. That's only just for your knowledge. I just showed you this. Let's look at the time now. Now it is 9 o'clock. When it moves to 5, it is 5 minutes after 9 o'clock, 5 minutes. Past 9 o'clock. Past. Not P-A-S-S-E-D. Past means P-A-S-T. That means it is crossed. It is covered. Yes. Now 9:05. We can also say 5 minutes past 9. That means after 9, 5 minutes is already over. Now let me put this into 3. Okay. Now 5, 10, 15. For this 15, we use the term quarter. So this clock is divided into how many portions you see? 4. This is one portion, this is another portion, this is another portion, and this is another portion. Okay. Now, instead of saying 9:15, we say quarter past 9. That means quarter hour is passed after 9 o'clock. Quarter. How do you spell quarter? Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Yes, quarter. Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. Quarter. How do you spell quarter? Q-U-A-R-T-E-R is quarter. Now the time is quarter past 9. That means quarter hour is passed after 9 o'clock. Quarter past 9. Now let me show you. Now quarter past 10. Now the time is quarter past 10. Now let me show you again. Now what do you say? Yes, quarter past 12. After 12, It's already quarter hour is past. I'm only teaching you the quarters. Please look at it. Quarter past. See, that is after. Past, the word used, the term used is after. Past. Quarter past. That means finished. Over. Quarter past 12. Now let me show you. Now what do you say? Yes, quarter past 2. Quarter past 2. Now, what is the time? Now, what's the time? Yes, quarter past 5. Quarter past 5. If it is on to 6, what you will say? Yes, quarter past 6. So, you learned about the quarter past. Now, I am going to show you the half past. That means half an hour past. Half of this, I'll show you. Half of the time is over. Now, I'm going to place the needle here and I'm going to place this here. Now, what is the time? Half the time of the clock this is. This is the quarter of the time. Okay? I'll show it here. So, copy this down. Okay? Now, if this is the clock, first mark here 12 and then right down you mark 6, then here you mark 9 and then you mark here 3. So you will get it exactly the correct portion. Now here it is 1 and then 2, then 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11. Now this is the half of the clock. This is the half of the clock. I am not drawing the hands. I am only just want to show you that is half of the clock. This is quarter of the clock. Quarter portion of the clock. Now this is the 3/4 portion of the clock. This is the 3/4 portion of the clock. Okay. Now I showed you, I'll tell you what is the reason. So this is how you draw a clock, and here you draw a point here, and small hand is the hour hand, long hand is the minute hand. See, you can see here the difference. This is the hour hand, small hand is the hour hand. The long hand is the, long hand is what? Second hand. Now we were learning about quarter past. That means, the time that is past. Quarter past, once more I'll show you. We'll come to 3. See, quarter past 3. Quarter past 3. This is quarter past 3. That means already quarter hour is passed after 3 o'clock. Now we are going to learn half past. Half past means half the portion of the clock. That is half. Okay. So this is the half portion of the clock. Now look here. Now see where the hand is. Yes. Now it is on 6. Now it is half past 6. Half past 6. It means after 5 o'clock, 30 minutes pass. Half past 6. It is 5:30. Half past 6 is 5:30. Now quarter past means 15 minutes. Quarter is 15 and half is 30. Half is 30. So I'll show you from here to here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, half of 60 is 30, isn't it? Quarter of 60 is 15. Now 3/4 of 60 is 45. Now first learn this. Quarter already we learned. That is quarter past. Now this is half past. This is half past. So 5:30. Now let this big needle be there, and I'll only take the small needle. Now you must tell me the time. Little stubborn this is. Okay. Now what is the time? Can you tell me what is the time now? Yes, 8:30. What is the time now? 8:30. Already half an hour past after 8 o'clock. What is it? Yes, 8:30. 8:30. Now I am taking the hour hand to the 10. Now what's the time? Yes, 10:30. What's the time now? 10:30. 10:30. Now what is the time? Yes, 12:30. That means after 12, half an hour is passed. That is 12:30. For half past you say 30. Okay, 12:30. 12:30 is 12:30. Now what do you say? Yes, now you say 2:30. 2:30. Now what do you say? Now what is the time? Yes, 4:30. 4:30. Now let me take. Now what's the time? I'll have to hold this here. Now what's the time? It has to come little this side. Okay. Now what's the time? Yes, 9:30. That is 9:30. Just write it down here. Please look. 9:30. 9:30. Write this also. 9:30. 9:30. How do you write that as? 9:30. 9:30 is 9:30. 9:30 is 9:30. See, when you write the time, you have to put 2 dots like this. Okay, 9:30. Now, 7:30. How do you write that? 7:30. Yes, you'll write 7:30. 7:30. Now, 1/4. Quarter. 6. 6. 6. How do you write? Yes, 6:15. 1/4. That is, after 6 o'clock, 15 minutes have passed. 6:15. 1/4 means 6:15. Okay, 1/4 That is 12:15. Okay, right? Okay. So just copy this down into your book. Copy this down into your book, and you have to make a clock using, see, the material used for the clock is cardboard, paper, and 3 needles have used here. Hands. This is called the hands. You have to make a clock and you have to show me. Okay? I think I will come online one of these days and I'll tell you, and I want to see your work. don't have to post it to me. I want to see it. I'll just give you the time. According to that, you make and keep it ready. Maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, I'll just tell you the time and you have to do it. So, this is the model of the clock. The material required, you need a piece of hardboard. See, this is the hardboard, and you need white paper, and of course you have to draw this and stick it onto it, make numbers, then make hands like this. Okay, alright. So we did not write anything, we were only learning the time. I will come back in the next class and I will give you more details about quarter 2. Now we learned about quarter past and half past. Now I'll give you the details of quarter 2. Okay, so see you in the next class. Bye.